do you see some common patterns in between the people within this industry? I'm talking more specifically the AI industry. Are they the usual nerds that have been basically building the future of tech, or are we more talking about a new profile, or is it like a medley of a lot of different type of people? Like, how would you kind of define the people within the industry?
Yeah. So I'll give an example. So about 2 to 3 weeks ago on campus, we hosted a Yale-wide AI symposium. And I thought that was one of the most interesting things I've done this year so far because it brought together people from such different disciplines to talk about AI, right? So over lunch, I was having lunch, in a room that we're talking about like C grads and research grads. But in like a little conversation circle, I talked to like two law school professors who are interested in thinking about AI as a judge, right? Like what happens when legal proceedings are kind of like what happens when AI intersects with that. I was talking to psychologists who are thinking about in a clinical setting, what happens when you have AI, right? And people are already using AI for mental health, right? And so for me, I'm thinking about it from an industry as well as the research point of view. Like tell me, how can we think about AI in these two dimensions? And I think one of the bigger questions has always been like, well, what about work? How does AI change the nature of work? That's something that a lot of people have been talking about.